Welcome to GRTips, a video series by GR Technology. As a Rockwell Systems integrator and Plex advanced partner, our focus today will be on custom fields in Plex. Whether you're new to Plex or looking to maximize its capabilities, this session will highlight how you can capture and track data unique to your operations, further tailoring your system without requiring major custom development. These user-defined data fields allow you to extend standard forms, modules, and reports with information specific to your processes, products, or compliance needs. These fields can be configured across various areas of the system such as parts, orders, inventory, or quality modules, enabling your teams to collect and analyze the data you're after. With custom fields, you can capture and display the data that matters most, ensuring the focus on key information. Keep in mind, custom fields are only designed for Plex UX. You can hide fields for short-term needs and use temporary or soft delete functions to manage data without permanent loss. With these features, you can successfully tailor Plex to your exact specifications, creating a more efficient system for you and your team. In the Security Manager, you can control who can add, edit, view, or delete custom fields across your environment. Each row represents a specific action, like adding a custom field, editing the details, or managing the enterprise data extension. In this example, the Plex UX Champion role has full access to all actions, meaning users with this role can manage custom fields end-to-end. This setup helps ensure your data extensions are controlled and secure within Plex. With continuous UX enhancements, Plex will keep your system at the forefront of smart manufacturing. Reach out today for a free consultation and discover how the GR Tech team can make the most out of your Plex environment. See you on the next GR Tips!